Cayenne or bird pepper, scientifically known as Capsicum annuum, and often referred to as chili pepper. This spice is used in food as flavoring and for several medicinal purposes. Cayenne may be used as a condiment and as medicine. It is especially good for colds and flu. Swallow 2 peppers twice a day or sprinkle a small amount of the powdered herb over your meal or make some tea with the powder to do the trick. It's also a powerful stimulant, which influences the heart immediately and equalizes blood pressure. It is good for internal and external bleeding, and acts as a catalyst for other herbal medicines to work effectively. In addition, it is beneficial for aging people. It is said to prevent heart attacks and can act as an internal disinfectant against tumors, sore throat, chills, congestion and indigestion. It also aids in the assimilation and elimination of the large and small intestines. It is great, too, for indigestion as it helps to rid the body of gas and heals the stomach while digestion continues to take place. It is also a good agent for suppressed menstruation. Cayenne pepper is mainly used as a spice when cooking meats, whether fried, stewed, roasted, baked or grilled. You can also sprinkle cayenne powder in your soups and also on eggs, bacon and seafood. You can find nutrients like vitamins A, B, C and E, and others such as manganese, riboflavin and potassium in this spice. Some people apply capsicum to the skin for pain caused by shingles, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and fibromyalgia. It is also used topically for nerve pain, neuropathy, associated with diabetes and HIV, other types of nerve pain, neuralgia, and back pain. Cayenne pepper is an excellent digestive aid as it stimulates the digestive system. It ensures adequate production of enzymes and gastric juices that help in metabolizing food.